Introducing Fivona 4-in-1 Sitz Bath Soaking Kit. This kit is beneficial for hemorrhoids and postpartum care. It can also help reduce swelling and ease pain and discomfort from various issues in the perineal area. Fivona Soaking Kit can be used in 4 different options. Let's explore each option in detail. Option 1. Sitz Bath Seat Only. Our ergonomically designed Sitz Bath seat provides a comfortable and effective soaking experience. First, expand and wash the seat. Place it on the toilet rim, fill it with water, and make sure the temperature is comfortable. Carefully sit down, ensuring the water touches the desired area. Soak for 15-20 minutes or longer if needed. Dry gently with a towel or toilet paper. Empty the sitz bath through the drain holes. Wash it, let it dry, and store it for future use. Option 2. Seat and hand flusher. If you would like to reach out to the desired area with more water pressure, or just use the seat like a portable bidet for daily hygiene, elevate your procedure with a hand flusher. Simply attach it to the bottom of the sitz bath and add water. Sit down carefully and soak for 15-20 minutes. Use the hand pump to provide a massaging sensation and flush more water with the perfect pressure where you need it. Option 3. Seat and solution bag. If you require a precisely prepared solution for soaking, ensuring accurate proportions, we offer to use the solution bag. It can also be used if you want to control the water level while soaking. The solution bag is beneficial to prevent water spillage if you have problems with your knees and can't carefully sit down on the sitz bath seat. Before soaking, fill the solution bag with water or the recommended solution. Securely attach the solution bag to the hook or place it on the surface above the seat. Sit down and use tubing to fill the tub with water, ensuring the water touches the desired area. Soak for 15-20 minutes. Option 4. Seat, hand flusher, and solution bag. Combine all items from the kit to optimize your soaking ritual for maximum benefit, comfort, and relaxation. While sitz bath soaking is beneficial with water only, you can elevate your procedure with all natural Fivona Sitz Bath soaking blends. After each session, remember to wash the kit thoroughly, allow it to dry, and place the kit in the provided storage bag to keep all items organized and ready for the next use. Soak away perineal discomfort with Fivona 4-in-1 Sitz Bath Soaking Kit.